Yeah, Yuvraj. Thanks for joining the subscription. Yeah, feel free to go ahead if you have any question. Hope you can hear me all right? Let me know in chat if you guys can hear me all fine. Okay. Yeah, feel free to go ahead if you have any questions. Hi, Manjeet Mishra. Maneet Mishra. Thanks, Arush. That is the aim, bro. Feel free to like the stream, bro, Arush, if you find it helpful, right? Uh, just hit the like button. It helps in sending the stream to other people. So, kind of helping the channel grow, right? This. Hello, Rohit Gupta. Bro, you just have to click on this join. So you see my channel name, right? In the right side, you can see join. That's it. I've kept the charges as minimal as that, so it is kind of motivates me to come every day and then do this. And thanks to Yuvraj to signing up. Yuvraj, you can ask your questions, bro. You said you had some questions, right? So please feel free to ask those, bro. Harush, what are you doing? Like, uh, as in, what are you doing? As in, like, are you in college or you're studying? Same, bro. You guys could study. I should also will study. What will you do if you have to start from zero? Tarif Tanvir, I will go ahead and watch this video. In this video, I have exactly told the same thing that what one should do if they are starting from zero. Oh, nice. So you are preparing for switch or what? So this is the membership. This is the link. Go ahead, Nikhil. Abhi ki yeah, little bit of aptitude is required, bro. Little bit. Arush need to know how can I start. You should start with this link, bro. So you go to this page and then you see this, right? System design guide. So this is a GitHub README. So you should retarget to read this README in like 1 week. You should not take more than that. So this has all the principles like DBMS, ACID, CAP. These are all the things that will be asked to you in an interview in some way or the other. They'll not directly ask what is CAP. They will ask you that if I'm taking your question, right, and then you are preparing that, you are saying that, okay, let's design a banking system, right? So now in banking system, I would ask you that what will you prioritize? Will you prioritize consistency or availability? Stuff like that you should. So what is this buy me coffee thing? Maybe I also will create this. Buy me coffee support. Yeah, this is a good one. Creating open source and content. Nice. Buy me a coffee. I'll also create buy me a coffee. So Yuvraj, what I want to learn Java as there are, but I want to learn Java as there are much more opportunities same, but company won't allow me that project. So how to show experience? So you can't show experience in Java, right? It's the same problem with me. I do DSA, LLD and everything with Java, but my experience is in Golang. So I would say that you should keep your experience with Golang and .NET and React, and then you should practice things in Java so that you can say that you know Java only. It's just that uh, you have not given the like project work, right? But you have experience in DSA, all of those things. So you can say that. Please see first message. There is no first message, bro. Where is the first message? If you have some links in your first message, it is not visible to me. Is it visible to do you on the screen? You have opened the screen on this, but I want to learn Java. This is the only thing that I can see. And then add HLD and LLD. So that's it. Is there any other message that I'm not able to see? Nikhil Ariwar, bro, should I? Yes, you should learn. No, you don't need to like wait, but meanwhile, you can do both of these things parallelly, right? Like spend 2 hours in the morning to do DSA and then you learn. I can only see three messages from you, Yuvraj, and those messages. Your message is not coming up, bro. Wrote the message again, dot. Please see first. Where is the message? Bro, career portal. Career portal, Naukri, these things only. There is no any apply to more openings. That's the only solution. Graph first, I would say. You can do anything first, but graph first. I like graph more than DP. Nothing specific, Tanveer. But I would say is that try all the different things. Like for example, uh, Naukri you can try, but you should try to apply in different locations probably. I have not seen companies offering remote role nowadays. Arush, this video has the answers that you need. 3000 coding video. In this, I have mentioned that how you can improve the intuition. Unpaid internships are not worth it. Nap man, bro, you need to do first basics of DSA, bro. Then only you can jump. Can't just solve directly. DSA, D1. Uh, you should practice lead code or you could practice both, but code force is way harder if you want to really crack online assessments. So focus on giving lead code contest and solving at least three and then upsolve four. If you want to go into company like Google, Uber, They will ask you 4 level also. Athav Pandey, referral is not the. My project is migrating from VB and Dev Express. Like, I did not understand your question, Yuvraj. So should I focus on that first? Like, you should do both of the things parallelly, right? Your DSA prep, your switch journey has nothing to do with what is happening in your current job. It's as simple as that whether you want to make a switch or not. So you will have to make time outside of your work. There is no specific topic, but graph, DP are most popular things. No need to create projects to stand out, bro. Just focus on DSA and create simple projects. No need to put a startup in your project. If you are focused on improving your DSA, you will anyway not have a time to think of like random projects. Even it doesn't matter how many questions, bro. I would say 200 to 300 is the minimum, and then you need to have good contest rating. So if you ask me how much 1700 is something that I would expect you to have if you really want to perform good in the interviews. 1700 rating on LeetCode. Feel free to hit this like button, guys, if you like the stream. I see more questions in the chat but less likes, so feel free to hit the like if you find the stream helpful. Yeah, 12 people in the chat. 12 people I have replied to. That's good. Thank you so much, brother. This is the first super chat of the channel as well. So, void edit, DS and simple project, you are saying no. No, what about learning of backend and real technology? Bro, you try to learn DSA first, then concentrate of real technology. Real technology is DSA only. Try to see how Redis database works, right? Try to see all the databases, how they work. So, like, the real work happens based on data structures only. So, but void edits looks like, bro, you are in college or you are working professional. You can get all the learning of backend real technical knowledge, whatever you want to learn, right? But in interview, you'll be asked DSA. So either you'll not be able to solve the DSA question in that round. That's the only solution, basically. That's the only possibility that if you have not done DSA, you are building something. Yeah, yeah, Takshil, I remember you, bro. Yesterday itself, we were discussing about you. With you, there are a couple of good people in the like, not good, like everyone is good, but couple of regular people. For example, uh, Takshil, Emperor, Rohit is also regular, and then Piyush is also regular. So 4 to 5 people. Yeah, Rohit, I said your name right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe I'm saying that even I get a job, how will we work? I did not understand your question. Why did it? So if someone is super strong in DSA, right? I can bet that they can build any web application within days. You don't need any extra knowledge to learn any web dev, right? Web dev is simple as that. Backend is as simple as that gets, right? Most of 99% of the solutions are already solved. If you need to search nearest neighbor, use Redis. If you want kale leaderboard, use Redis again. Redis solution will work there. Sorted set in Redis. Redis is a cache database, distributed Redis, right? Now, if you want to do sharding, Postgres, SQL already supports that. There is nothing crazy that you are kind of doing in backend, right? So most of the solutions are already there. Most of the scaling is handled by AWS. So, but DSA is the real part where you actually train your brain, right? Try to understand Kosa Raju. It will take you a couple of days to understand that algorithm itself. So this is because I started eating healthy. The Rahul bro, do you remember me? Yeah, what it is. I'm glad you agree, bro. The DSA is underlying of everything, right? So now let me ask you this question. So in Redis, there is a functionality called geo geo indexes, right? So if you have to find um, nearest drivers in a Uber system design. Now, if you have to build that scratch, let's say there is no Redis, nothing. You one way is to use this concept of quadtrees. Now, quadtrees are advanced data structures. Now, if someone doesn't even know about tree, doesn't even know how to traverse tree, then how can someone expect them to build a solution for quad tree? It's not possible. It's the same. So it's like saying that, okay, you don't know English, and then someone is asking you to come and give a lecture in English, right? Now, you could say that, okay, I don't need to give a speech. I have never given speech. What is the use of speech, right? So you will not learn English, basically. That's what it is about saying, right? So, like, no one is inventing anything. If you are inventing anything, then you will use data structures only eventually. You will not use a web dev, right? Basically, you will not be adding a spinner on your UI. Void edits, no one is ahead or behind, bro. Everyone is in their own journey. So I'll have to reply to Yuichiro Hayaku now. Hi, bro. When are we starting with system design videos? So, bro, what specifically I like system design as in uh, what system design videos? There are already good resources, bro, on YouTube. I have a plan of creating like 20 minutes videos because one thing that I faced in my interview, right? So, would you suggest Gaurav and no, bro. Like I have not personally seen that Yuichiro Haku. So once I'll reply Yuichiro Haku, then I'll come to you, Yuvraj. So Yuichiro, so I have not used that, bro. So for LLD, I have just used this. Only one resource I have used for LLD, like I have read head first also. I have read so there is a website called Design Patterns Guru, right? So if someone is experienced design gurus, so this website, a refactoring guru, right? I was not able to understand anything in this. It's like the examples are very not in non-intuitive, right? So the factory pattern has not to be this complex. It's like as simple as that. You don't need to go through all of these things. This is like a bookish version. So you have watched Three Idiots, right? So consider is this like a what is that guy who crams thing? So this feels to me like an example of that, right? Now there is one smart guy who just explained the functionality of like zip or machine, right? So Amir Khan basically. So in this, the other one, it's like more of a Amir Khan thing in this repo. This is more like of a bookish knowledge. I was not able to understand this. Probably I tried it 10 times. Me when I was preparing last year in July, I reached out to like 10 different folks all around, like even my current company, everywhere I reached out and then asked them that, hey, how did you guys learn design patterns? Because I'm not able to understand those things because those are like really weird examples. Like you will understand this once, but then you will not be able to tell this to everyone, right? Really good. That's what I say. I would say that just stick to that. For some reason, my laptop is hanging. That's not good. This stream will end. Okay. Damn it, bro. I don't want the stream to end. Yuichiro Haiku. Okay, thanks for the suggestion. Yes, bro. For HLD, I would say that Alex use book is good enough, and then if you need a generic knowledge, then that GitHub link is good enough. this system, Pratap Singh. Can you guys put a comment? Can a guy not from IIT be like he can be ahead of IITians, bro? Not even par. He can be like ahead of IITians. To give you an example, I know one of a person. So there is a sometimes back. Takshil, can you put a comment if you can hear me all right? There is some YouTube is saying that my stream is not good. So I will tell you an example if you can just uh, let me know in chat if you can hear me all right. If you cannot hear me, then I'll have to fix my stream, but then I'll answer your question. Yuvraj, see, currently my resume is not settling because of how, who told you, bro, Yuvraj, that resume is not shortlisting? Yes, yes, that's what I do, bro. I do Java in LLD, HLD, and DSA, and then parallelly React and .NET. That's same. So you replace React with Golang and .NET with Python. That's what I'm currently used to do, and then LLD, DSA, and Java. That's exactly that's correct. That's something that you should do. And I don't think so you will ever know the reason why your resume is not getting shortlisted. Okay. But there is a lot of delay, bro. I asked you like 3 minutes ago. Yeah, yeah, Yuvraj, I've told you, Yuvraj. Yuvraj, did you hear the answer? Damn it, bro. So, Takshil, what I was going to say to you, right? There is one of person from Punjab, Ludhiana, if you have heard of the place. So he did a BCA and he is like international grandmaster on code forces, right? So tier 3, like you can say tier 7, not even tier 100 college. Probably. I have not even heard. It's in Ludhiana. It's near to like 60 kilometer near to me. He works as Google. He doesn't know about me, but I have just seen his LinkedIn, right? So he has only done BCA. See, and he's like back then he did code jam, whatnot, everything. I think you can search Taran Preet, Taran Preet on LinkedIn. Search Taran Preet Singh. So let me search on this. I think Taran Preet Singh Code Forces. Just BCA, bro, not even BTech. The international, yeah, this is the right Taranpreet. See, now he is far ahead of ITNs, bro. Most of the ITNs are like expert. He is like internet. He can eat experts like in breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So yes, yes. So the answer to your question is yes, bro. You can be par of anyone. Like, but damn it, bro. Why my laptop is slow? Oh, is it like Code Forces is slow? Your browser is working, Cloud for Code Forces is slow. Let's retry. But you guys can check it out. Check this profile and then you'll know, right? But he has done a lot of hard work, bro. CP is not easy and to reach international grandmaster that is anyway not easy. Hey, hi Piyush, what's up, bro? No, bro, I don't know Telugu. Hindi, English, Punjabi, these are the three languages I know. Yeah, my internet is okay, bro. Something is wrong with Code Forces. Ranjit Kumar, great. Can you share your resume? My resume is already on the YouTube, bro. Just look a resume video. Yuvraj, also from Ludhiana, bro. You are also from Ludhiana, Yuvraj. Hello, Piyush. Hello. What's up? Hello, Jatin OP. Recovering, bro. Recovering. Sumit Kumar, are you from LPU? No, bro. I am from VIT Vellore. Tech stack, you know. Which tech stack, bro? No, I don't know. No, no, bro. I don't use any ad blocker. I have YouTube Premium on my personal account, but yeah, Code Forces might have, I think, streaming blocker. Maybe they have because a lot of cheating going on nowadays. So maybe they have blocked the stream. That could be the reason, but I don't think so. Oh, is it? Okay, Yuvraj, you are from Ludhiana. Okay, okay. But I just want to tell you guys, right? Everything is possible in life. So I'll open some other portal maybe. So LinkedIn, I'll not be. So here you can see, right? Highest Code Forces LinkedIn, 23,000. So expert is like 1700. And then candidate master is like 1900. And then 21 is, I think, master. 23 is international master. Crazy level, bro. 25 is, I think, then grandmaster, right? So, and I think this guy did everything without any exposure. That's my, because I don't know him. It's just something that I saw. So, get motivated from these kind of guys, right? Bro, host a story. My VIT Vellore experience is not that good, bro. My college life was okay because I am a proper Punjabi guy. So if you are a proper Punjabi guy, then it will be little bit hard for you to adjust in another set of people. So now I am kind of okay, but back then when I was in college, I was not uh, what I can say, yeah, not that friendly with all type of crowds. When we will start Pomodoro? You can start Pomodoro Animesh Tripathi on the side, bro. I always like to take some questions before. Probably 5 years you will take Animesh Tripathi. And I think those people who achieve this, they'll not ask how many months. It will just say that as long as it takes. Your mentality should be like that. Hey, hi, Lokesh. Someone would have won the first World Cup, right? So that's the thing, right? Hey, hi, Harsh. Is my comment visible? Yes, now your comment is visible. So see, everyone, it will take you. Your mentality should be as long as take, right? Did Virat Kohli win his first World Cup? Can I build? Yes, Yuvraj. That is good, bro. Yuvraj, yes, you can do that, bro. So Yuvraj, just for this, bro. So in my Walmart interview, right, I use Golang, but the Walmart's interviews was specifically for Java, right? So Yuvraj, can you put a yes if you're listening, bro? This is just for you. Emperor, I said hi, bro. I said hi. So Yuvraj, you listening? Just put a H or Y or thumbs up. Because this stream, right, it is showing me a lot of errors. So that's why I have to ask. But I'll tell you Walmart scenario because you are a member of the club. So I have to give you a proper answer. Otherwise, you'll say that this bullshit guy is not helping me also. There's so much delay is there in the stream, I think. The delay is there, I think. How much delay is there? There is a delay in the stream, I think. So, Yuvraj, so I'll tell you anyway, you will hear, bro. So, Harsh, your comment is visible, right? Now your is also available. So, Yuvraj, so what happened in the Walmart interview, right? So, I have never worked in Java in my projects, like in my company projects, sadly. But since college, I do DSA in Java and then I do LLD in Java. So when the Walmart recruiter asked, right, that are you comfortable with Java and whatnot? So then I explained them that I use Java from 5 years. I have good hang of it, and I would like to appear for the interview, right? Even though my projects are in Golang, right? So I have personal projects and DSA, LLD, everything in Java. So yes, you should also pitch like that. Now, now then I even cracked the interview, right? So they asked me Java questions. My one whole round was on Java. So as long as you are able to answer those things, then no one is stopping you. Don't put blockers on your mind. So yeah, 30 seconds delay is crazy. Void edits, bro. I have replied to all of your questions. What a silly comment you have posted. I was chatting to you from starting only, right? I was talking to you only. Now let me ask you guys, right? If there are two comments, one is a club and other is which one you will prioritize? I'll have to prioritize the club one, right? It's as simple as that. And then when there was no message from anyone from a club people, I replied to everyone. It's just that getting on the nerves, bro. Is your monitor worth it to buy my monitor? Why do you want to buy my monitor? Yes, so Mark by Flipkart. So I actually had to buy a monitor on temporary basis. Okay, so is your member what is this thing? Is your monitor worth to buy? Is this monitor a member thing? Not sure, Aditya Pandey. So if you're asking about monitor, yes. You should buy a monitor. Monitor helps in increasing your productivity. Yeah, Emperor, I think no, not many people, bro. We are still at same likes only. So I think I have answered more than 16 likes, definitely. See your message, right? Yeah, message is fast, but voice is lagging, I think. My, hi, Lokesh, hello. I'll answer Harsh's question because my comment is visible. I'm asking, I'm doing DSA in C or Gate. Should I do DSA in C++? No, no, C is fine, bro. If you are doing DSA in C, C is fine. Bro, you should do Piyush old question also and then new questions also. No, bro, I don't have iMac. iMac is something about HFT firms only Emperor can tell you. Third year, bro, Napman. Third year. I knew about DSA in first year, but I never knew that how you can use it for coding. Yeah, yeah, your question was simple question, bro. Sorry for the delay. C, you can go ahead with C if you're already using C, bro. C, C++, Python, any language is acceptable in Java, but let's say you don't know anything, then C++, Java or Python. These three I would suggest. Let's say if you are good with learning, then C++ or Java. Python I would not recommend. It is like very easy language, and then probably you'll have some difficulty when you're developing things, right? Pavitra, which round, Goldman Sachs? Which round? Round one, round two, round three, which one? DSA, LLD, HLD, which one? Yeah, bro. Takshil, yes, yes. C++, focus on one language, bro. Focus on one language. Emperor, you didn't even get three today, bro. How are you feeling? Who has the badges? So first is with Takshil and then Animesh. So Animesh was yesterday, I think he was seventh, right? So he did achieve what he wanted to do. But I think in the end, Emperor, you will get the badge because you are a permanent member now. You're a permanent guest now. What to do after Java, bro? This is like a very open-ended question. Harsh, solve questions, coding problems, bro. Like when you say complete DSA, it is not like that you have learned about stack. No, no, no. You should be able to do the companies you have. I have only worked. Yeah, CF is down only, bro. What happened to CF? I was showing people. I thought that maybe they have put a check that if you're streaming, then you can't open that, right? So, but it is down, I guess. Yeah, it is down, I guess. Yeah, there is a super chat. Yeah, maybe super chat. Akhil, bro, instead of like super chat, you can consider joining the club. That is better because super chat is okay. That way you can chat with us also. Like you can meet and chat. Super chat is like your. That's okay. Yeah, maybe they might be doing maintenance or it just down because of. Was there any contest going on? Ishank Rai, you should solve problems, bro. Go to LeetCode and solve coding problems. Actually, I am in fourth year of college and I am having 2 years of learning. Bro, if you want to go into a top MNC, bro, you need to know DSA, Dinesh Pandyan. Let's say if you want to get a job at Google, they will ask you DSA, bro. And then the short answer for this is that we'll start joining the yes, Yuvraj. That's the only aim, bro. Oh, then I think it is down for maintenance only, maybe. DSA and software engineering practices. Okay, software engineering. Okay, 2 rounds, right? So make sure that your resume you understand properly, Pavitra Khatri. Harsh, can I solve question with the C on? Yes, bro, you can do that. Go to LeetCode and then, bro, for some reason my laptop is really slow. See, see, I think this is also so like this is I think the perfect order, right? So if someone is asking me which language to pick, right? Pick anything from these three and C++ in the top. It will be default because that's really good competitive programming language and should be the first priority, right? If anyone doesn't know anything. So this order, follow this order, guys. C++, if you don't know anything, then go to Java. You can use then Python 3, same basically next version of it. Or if you are not, then C also. These are all like top. They have put it in a correct order. Like if you really want to like do a stupid thing, then you can do coding with Rust or Scala or like PHP. If you really want to do a stupid thing, then PHP probably. But if you really want to stay with the norm, stay with the trend, like see, there are a lot of things to go out and go out of the box, but picking a language is not that thing you should do. Okay, bro. Dinesh Pandian, which job role you want? Like I'm talking about software engineering. Who just like you participate in the contest. So I have explained that clearly in a YouTube video, bro. If you go to my challenge, I have explained that clearly in a video. So this video I've explained that clearly. How do I approach? Irrespective of the job role, by bro, they ask for data engineer, and when you are in college, right? Yes, they will ask whether you are getting a SRE role or you are getting a software engineer role or it is a data engineer role. In college, they will ask. No, no, bro. Thank you, Takshil. No, no, no. This is okay, bro. Lead code 68. What is lead code 68? Decode Shatendra Shorts. Where to give mock interviews? Bro, you can give mock interviews by visiting Topmates. 16 to 1700 rating is good, bro. 1700. I think I have solved this problem, bro. It's a very popular coding problem. Yeah, this is like a very, very annoying problem, bro. Like very, very annoying problem. This is like a very, very stupid, annoying problem, but a very problem that is asked a lot in interviews. So let's just read the chat. There are like tons of edge cases in this. The dislike count, actually, they hide the dislike count. That should not be the problem, actually. This question is not worth my time. This, like, I don't know why they have hidden, but this problem would have like this is 4,000 likes, so there would be like 10,000 dislikes. But it is a very popular problem. See, I was asked this question in one of the interview. So, but it's a very, very silly problem. No, no, I'm saying, bro, it is simple. Emperor, it is simple. You just have to split it. But there will be like spaces and whatnot. Those are the things that you'll have to handle. Like these things, right? It is simple. It is simple. Like the implement, like the logic is not hard. It is simple only. You don't pick up random problems, bro. झांक रहा है. Damn, guys, you are crazy. Who is crazy, bro? True, baby. Only Emperor here is crazy. No one is. Yeah, yeah, bro. It is very slow. Bro, let me then kill the stream. I will come again. Okay, now it is saying that stream health is okay. Yeah, yeah, it is greedy only. Emperor, greedy only, but you have to take care of the spaces. Spaces here and there. That's the only thing. It is greedy. Okay, so if I have to test the lag, right, I'll just test the lag. Crazy lag, bro. It is more than 30 seconds. Yes, yes, that only. Ishan, bro, whichever you find more interesting. If I have to give you advice, probably Mern is better in college because you don't need to like do go heavy with Java. So Mern and AppDev is so what I would suggest is use uh, React and then probably also learn Next.js. That is really good. I would not say genius, bro, with 1600 on LeetCode. You start with 1500 and then 1600 is not genius. 1600 is very good. Uh, so Ishan, but I would also say that you start applying for internship. So you should do an internship in the starting of your second year, like starting of your third year, like this summer, right? So next year in June, July, you should have an internship. So all the companies like Flipkart, yeah, Arjun Kapoor meme is really viral these days. So Ishan, you should try to get a placement, like internship, bro, by the end of your second year. Yes, and Ryan, bro, just watch videos of Digitra and try to solve various problems based on Digitra. That is the only way, bro. I'm on success, bro. Apply to more openings. You should apply to more openings. Applying to less morning doesn't help. So hey everyone, I'll have to end the stream like 5 to 10 minutes early today. Need to